final subject here on this. What happens if we change the numbers associated with these sine functions? What effect does it have on the wave? Y equals 3 sine 4x, or y equals 3 sine 4 theta. On autograph, I'd type in y equals 3 sine 4x because it only recognises y and x. And here it is plotted. Look at the wave. Can you tell me why it is that the wave looks the way it does? Look at the y-axis, this point here. You might not be able to see it very clearly. Let me just drag it to the side a little bit. This point 1, 2, this is 3 here. Here's 2 pi. Look at the wave. Look at the wave function. What's happened?
The 3 depends on the
Yes. Right. So in terms of the circle, what's the 3 telling us? What is 3? Yeah. 3 is the radius of radius of rotation. Or the amplitude. Okay. What's happening to the 4? What's that doing? Someone different. Yep, Eli. Right, it's to do with that, isn't it? Yeah. What can I see? What's happening on the wave? Look at, if we look at it, how many waves have we got between 0 and 2 pi? We've got more cycles. How many? If we look at it, remember that is one cycle. 1, 2, 3, 4 complete turns, if you like, within 2 pi. And in terms of the angle, it's because if you think about any angle, let's take, for example, 90 degrees. If I times that by 4, I've got 360. So at the 90-degree point, instead of it being only a quarter way around the turn, it's actually gone the whole turn effectively. So I've got a complete cycle within 90 degrees. So within 2 pi, I've gone 4. So if I wanted to sketch this, if I didn't have autograph, I could sketch this, couldn't I? Okay? Between 0 and 2 pi, or 0 and 360 suddenly, couldn't I? If I could sketch this. The 3 is telling me what? The maximum value that it reaches. The 4 then is telling me what?
How many cycles there is?
Yeah, within that region of 2 pi. Okay? So if I said to you, sketch 4 sine 5x, you could do it, couldn't you? Okay? And so on. And the assignment asks you to do that. So I'm not going to look at the cosine one, but it's very similar. So that's sort of this particular point summarizes what we need to know about the trigonometric functions. There is a little bit more that we can talk about in terms of relating the angular velocity to this part of it, but that's for another day.